What's up, guys? The entire crypto market is crashing right now, including Terra Classic. Let's check it out. All right, so here we can see the whole crypto market's down today. Everything in the red, whole market's crashing. So let's look at Terra Classic here first. So we had this falling wedge. We broke out of it to the upside, which was bullish, indicating the price likely to go up. And then we formed this little symmetrical triangle here, which was also a bullish pattern, more likely to break to the upside than the downside, but it did break to the downside here and has actually come down, met the price target of this triangle just about perfectly. And now question is, where is the price headed next? Well, it is still possible that the price could come back up and eventually get to our price target of 58. Still possible, but I think it's a bit more likely that over the next few days the price is going to go a bit lower or go sideways. I think that's the most likely scenario here in the short term. We might possibly come back down to this level here on 25, maybe even go down to this support at about 21 or so. So we'll see what happens. This is the price target of this head and shoulders down here at about 20 to 21. So maybe we will eventually reach that, but we'll see what happens. Now, looking over at Bitcoin here, the Bitcoin price has broken through the support here at 19,000. And yeah, currently breaking through. Daily candle hasn't closed below it yet. If the daily candle closes below 19,000, then that's a very bad sign, and we could have a much bigger dump here. If we go in on the 4 hour, we have had a 4 hour candle close, but that happened right back here and we just came right back up. So that could happen here too. Now if the daily candle closes below, that's a bad sign and could have a bigger dump. Maybe we will head back down to this previous low here at about 17,600. Definitely possible. We could even potentially go lower. Now let's zoom out on the weekly. Now on the weekly, also we have not closed below this level, and the previous week just closed right at support, and now we're at the start of this weekly candle and we're breaking below the support. So we do still have a full week to get back up above the support. Good chance that could happen. If it doesn't, of course, we're going to see a pretty big dump here. And a lot of people are saying we're headed down to 13,000, 12,000, even 10,000. Some people saying lower than that. Now, I doubt it's going to go that low. I seriously doubt under 10,000. Now, yeah, possibly we could go to 13 or 12,000, somewhere around there. But we'll see. I also think it's probably more likely that the levels here are about the lowest we're going to see in this bear market, in my opinion. Now, of course, it's possible we head down to 12, 13,000, but I think it's more likely we're going to hold up around 17,000 or so. But we'll see. We see that we are forming possibly a bullish divergence on the weekly, which could be very powerful and bullish for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. So the RSI here is starting to go back up, and the price right now is forming a new low. So if this weekly candle closes below this one and the RSI is still higher, then we could have a bullish divergence, and that would be a really good sign for Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens. Are you guys buying Bitcoin right now, or do you think we're going to 10,000? I mean, possibly could go to 10,000. I think that's unlikely, but of course anything's possible. Now we do have the Federal Reserve meeting coming up on Wednesday, and people, because of the increased inflation, the CPI report indicating increased inflation, people are expecting a 75 basis point rate hike on Wednesday, and that's a big reason why the market's selling off right now. So good chance we could see the price continue to dump until Wednesday, and then on Wednesday, if let's say they only do a 50 basis point hike, then we would pretty much for sure see a bounce in the price, even if they just do the expected 75 basis point hike. Good chance we'll see a bounce. So yeah, well, maybe we'll dump until Wednesday, and then once the Federal Reserve meeting's over and everyone knows what the interest rate hike is, then the uncertainty is gone from the market and the price could see a bounce. So we'll see what happens. I definitely think right now is an amazing time to be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin or really any of your favorite top cryptos. Everything is at rock bottom prices, and I think either the bottom of the bear market was here at 17,600, or we are going to see the bottom very soon. Maybe this will be the last dip of the bear market. Do you think it will be, or do you think we have a lot more time and pain to come? I think potentially this could be the last dip. Maybe we'll see the low here, and then the bull market can finally start. Good chance we could see the low, I think, at least by December. I don't think this bear market is going to go way into next year as well. I think next year we're going to for sure start the next bull market. So we'll see. I'm dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and other cryptos right now. I think these are amazing prices. So whatever your favorite cryptos are, everything's going down right now, so everything's going to be very cheap here. So yeah, Bitcoin right now breaking through support. We might see a pretty big dump here over the next few days. We'll see what happens if this daily candle can come back up in the next 16 hours and close above support. Then we'll probably see a bounce, but if it closes below, price could go even lower, already down to 18,400. And then Terra Classic, good chance in the short term price could go down a bit more, maybe sideways, but we do have the 1.2% burn coming September 20th in just about 2 days exactly. So we'll see what that does to the price. Do you think that's gonna cause the price to pump? If we actually do see some really nice burns, maybe we will see a big pump in the price. So we'll see how that affects the price. I'll keep you guys updated. So like and subscribe if you want more of these updates, and share the video so everyone finds out about Terra Classic and sees this video and gets in before these burns start. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching till the very end, guys. You're awesome, and I'll see y'all later.